taking it now. Go whenever you're ready.
Merhaba, Günaydın. My name is Mark Maloney, and I am the president of Rotary International for 2019-2020. And I am pleased to be here with Governor-elect Hakan of District 2430, which includes Turkey and many other countries in Central Asia. And I am delighted to give my greetings to all of those attending the President's-elect Training Seminar for the 2019-2020 Rotary year. We are today in November of 2018 at the Rotary Institute at the Dead Sea in Jordan. So since it is still before the International Assembly, I cannot say the theme, but by the time you see this video, you will know the theme, and I hope that you have a wonderful Rotary year. Congratulations to all clubs President-elect and to Governor-elect Hakan.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I have something like